10.9 volts. It does this. Obviously, the battery's dying on my four-wheeler. The terminals are tight, but we're at 12 volts now. Not enough to start. So we're gonna stick it here on the battery charger. You can check this out, links below. If you don't have a battery charger, for sure go and grab you one. I haven't changed this battery out since I got this ATV. This is the stock battery, and this is a 2016 model. So this is a 5-year-old battery in here, maybe a 6-year-old sitting at the dealer for a year, who knows. So we're gonna set this here on the charger for about an hour. Alright, so we've charged this for about an hour. Let's see if it goes now. We're still at only 12 volts, so maybe we could load test the battery and check that out. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button down below, subscribe and follow along to see how this ends. I'll see you guys in the next video.